So I finally opened a Fidelity Brokerage account, and I've got to admit, I was kind of shocked, not just because of how smooth the setup was, but how much they offer for zero commissions. If you're new to investing or switching from another platform, there are a few things you really need to know before making a move. Here's my honest review of Fidelity in 2025. Let's get into it. In this video, I'm breaking down everything about the Fidelity Brokerage account, how it works, fees, features, tools, customer service, and whether it's actually the right platform for beginner or long-term investors. If you've been thinking about getting serious with your money, this might be the best place to start. The Fidelity Brokerage account is basically your all-in-one platform for buying and selling stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and even crypto via integration, long-term investing, active trading, or simply growing your savings in a diversified portfolio. You can use it as an individual taxable account, joint account, or even a custodial or retirement account. It's fully customizable depending on your goals. Let's get the big question. What does it cost? Zero commissions on US stocks, ETFs, and Fidelity mutual funds. Zero account minimum to open. No annual account fees. Zero options commissions. Just 65 cents per contract. That's a massive win, especially for beginners who want to start small without losing money to hidden fees. Here's where Fidelity really stands out. Active Trader Pro, for advanced traders who want real-time data, customizable dashboards, and detailed charting. Fidelity mobile app, easy-to-use interface, trade on the go, access to research and news, AI-powered insights and screeners, fractional shares. You can buy slices of Apple or Tesla for as little as $1, automatic investing and dividend reinvestment, everything from long-term investing to short-term strategies, all in one ecosystem. Fidelity is one of the oldest, most trusted brokerages in the US. They offer SIPC insurance up to $500,000, including $250,000 cash, two-factor authentication, real-time alerts, and account protection guarantees. You can sleep well knowing your money is in good hands. Let's be fair, Fidelity isn't perfect for everyone. The platform can feel a bit overwhelming for complete beginners. Crypto investing is not native. It's through a separate partnership, not ideal for full-time crypto traders. Active Trader Pro is powerful, but has a learning curve. No flashy sign-up bonus, unlike some competitors. That said, these aren't deal breakers, just things to know going in. Who is Fidelity best for? Fidelity is great for long-term investors, people who want no-fee trading with great research, beginners who want to grow with the platform, retirement investors, 401k, Roth IRA, etc. People who like hands-on control plus educational resources. Not ideal for day traders who need ultra-fast executions and margin tools, hardcore crypto investors, users who want a super minimalist or Robinhood style experience. The Fidelity Brokerage account is one of the most well-rounded, low-cost, and trusted platforms out there, especially if you're in it for the long game. With no commissions, strong research tools, and unbeatable customer service, it's a serious contender whether you're investing $50 or $500,000. And while it's not perfect for day traders or crypto-only users, for 90% of people, Fidelity is a smart, long-term investing home. If you found this review helpful, give it a super thanks and hit that subscribe button for more no-fluff investing breakdowns. Got questions about Fidelity or already using it? Drop a comment below. I reply to nearly all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.